Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Andis and I like to try new things and make experiment with it. Starting this year 2020, I have started to have interest to gardening, especially for vegetables and herbs. And today I'm so excited to show you what I have so far in my garden. So let's do it. In this corner is corn and it has some pollinate, some flower already, and this is edamame. It has some a little bit of starting to fruit. I cannot show you. And in front of the edamame is a radish. I've just planted this one about like 3 weeks ago. Compared to the other plant is the earlier. And this one is peas. It already has some fruits, as you can see here, but I still don't know when I should actually harvest it. And this is basil. It looks healthy, and this is thyme, and it smells really good. In this one is still small, but this one is actually lemongrass. It's gonna be bigger, so I'm not sure if I is overcrowd the plants there. And this one is chili pepper. I'm I'm starting to make experiment between the topping version and not topping version. I will give you the result later. And this one is eggplant. So in the area of pots, these are gingers. It's growing really slow because of the weather in Netherlands is really strange. This is another radish. I tried to plant it in the pot, but I'm not sure if it's going well because it's still tiny. Look, as you can see, it's still tiny. And this is my first experience as well to plant radish. And this one is lavender. As you can see in the big pot, it's dying. It's actually dead already, but the small one is actually from the propagation from the big one. So I'm not sure why the propagation is alive and then the original one is dying. And this one is garlics, and this one is the pickling onion. This one is my strawberry, and this one is mint. This one is the tomatoes area, or except that one that is a garlic, but this one tomatoes like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it's a 7 pots of tomatoes plant. And I start to combine the tomatoes with another type of herbs, like this one is a garlics and the other one is chives, I think, and this one is basil. So those kind of combination, and it start to have a fruits. I'm so happy because it used to have many flowers but no fruits, and my 3-year-old son keeps taking out the fruit, so I was really upset, but now I'm happy that it actually has some fruits again. So basically that is all my plans. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.